Chris, today I will be unboxing this awesome unit that I've been trying to unbox here for the past 3-4 days. This is the new iHome Bluetooth speaker. It's a color changing rechargeable wireless Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it says on the front, it says 24, let's zoom in here. It says 24 hours of mega battery plus speakerphone, so you can listen to music and use it as a speakerphone as well. It changes to different colors. Honestly, I have not opened the box yet. Let's see what it says on the side. It has let's see if we zoom in here. It says that it's got a melody personal music assistant, 3 easy steps, pair Bluetooth speaker, download the Melody app, tap speaker to talk. Oh wow. Enjoy music even if your phone is tucked away. And I guess it supports these apps: iHeartRadio, Spotify, NPR, and Tidal. Haven't heard of Tidal before. So anyways, some of the features of the speakerphone before I go ahead and unbox it is it changes. It's a 360-degree LED color. It changes different colors, 360 degrees. It's got caller ID. It's a speakerphone with echo noise cancellation, and you can stream music wirelessly through Bluetooth, and it's also rechargeable mega battery, up to 24 hours of wireless audio playback. And also right on top, it comes with a carry strap included for easier portability. Wow, that's a pretty cool feature, I have to admit. And right here it says 360 degrees LED color effects. The effects are slow fade, fast change, favorite color, pulse to music, and preset pulsing. Oh wow, that's pretty awesome. I've seen some of these in the stores, to be honest, but I actually haven't sat down and actually opened one and played with it. It's got a battery level, lighting off, or Bluetooth pairing. Oh wow. So depending on the color of the speakerphone, you can actually know whether you have full charge or 50% and whatnot. You will also know if it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. So, and then you can also turn off the light. So that's pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and open it. And let's see what we got here. This should be a pretty cool unboxing. This is probably one of the best unboxings I've done in a while. Let's see what's in this bad boy. This looks like the charging cable to me. It's a USB charging cable. Looks like micro USB, I believe. Put that on the side. Here's probably like a quick start manual. Yeah, this is looks like 4 credit cards put together. Yeah, that is a quick start guide. Okay, and here. I remind you, this is just an unboxing. I will be doing a full review of this awesome Bluetooth speakerphone. A speaker at the same time, so I just wanted to show you guys what this unit looks like, because I am pretty darn excited. Oh, wow. Now at the store where I bought it from, they did not have this on display. So this is, let's see, so this would be the top. Wow, this is a pretty rugged piece. So this is on and off. Okay.
Pairing.
As you can see, the minute you turn on, it goes into pairing mode. Wow, this is pretty awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My next video that I'll upload to YouTube will be a full review of the speakerphone and some of the most popular features that it can do, because this seems to be a pretty awesome unit, honestly. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below if you have any questions, or if you have a similar speakerphone that also lights up as well, okay? Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Take care.